Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you our John Deere closing wheel kit installation. First you need to remove the bracket from the closing wheel stop and both closing wheels. Take the bracket to a drill press and ream both large holes to 1 inch and 11/16. We have the reamers needed for this that fit in a 1/2 inch chuck drill. When both holes have been reamed, place the template in the hole and using a 3/16 bit, mark the hole on each side of the bracket for the pin in our bushing. Using a 25/64 inch drill bit, finish drilling the holes all the way through. Make sure the holes line up with our bushing and then place some bearing retainer around the flange bushing where it goes into the large hole in the bracket. Push both flange bushings into the bracket. Next, you're going to hold the bracket in place. Install both of our new bolts from the kit from the inside out through the new bushings in the bracket. Place one thin and one thick washer on each hex bushing and thread them onto the bolts. Make sure the bolt head is in the slot on the inside of the bracket so it will not turn. Get these bushings hand tight and then make sure the bracket is centered on the row. When the bracket is centered, tighten the hex bushings to 100 foot-pounds. When both sides are torqued, place 1 drop of red Loctite on the bolt threads and install the jam nuts. Torque the jam nuts to 50 foot-pounds. This completes the installation. Thank you for watching.